Very cute, Six of Cups. Beautiful. It's mermaid base, which I love. Very well done. Hi everyone, welcome. I hope you are feeling amazing today. I have very few wonderful decks that I'd love to show you, so without a further ado, let's get into them. The Slavic Legends Tarot is a deck that I recently purchased and I'm playing around with. I made a walkthrough of this deck also in my channel. Feel free to check it out. This is the beautiful back, lovely black edge, and this artwork is amazing. I love it. It doesn't come with a physical guidebook. However, there's a digital guidebook for major arcanas, and I think they will also soon add the minor arcanas. But it's amazing. Look at the details. It's very beautiful. As always, I will add the link to the creators or the web pages that I purchased these decks in the description, so you can check them out also. The cardstock is velvety, matte, and very lovely actually to touch. It's amazing. I love this rose petal velvety decks. In the beginnings, the shuffling might be a problem, the cards might stick to each other, but over time they will be fine, so you just need to be patient. The Neck Truth Tarot, it has nudity, so if it's not your cup of tea, please move to the next deck. And comes with a nice guidebook. We have some spreads in the beginning and then the card meanings and so on. Beautiful. Oops. This is a lovely bag. Lovely pinkish edge. And this is the artwork. I have to spend time with this deck because it just arrived yesterday, but I'm already in love with the artwork. It's amazing. The card quality is also amazing. And yeah, what else to say? I was looking for this deck for a while and I wasn't sure if I will like it or not, but I'm so happy that I have it. Definitely it's very well done. Very cute, Six of Cups. Beautiful. Next deck didn't come with a box. I think you can also purchase with a box, but I didn't. And it's called Artistic Doodle Tarot. This is the funny bag. And this is the artwork. It is so funny, this deck. Colorful, cute. Look at the Empress. I'm in love with this deck. It's just so funny. And very lovely done. I think this deck the creators are in Turkey, so it came from Turkey to Germany. So I will put the Etsy shop link in the description. Very beautiful. The Queen of Swords. King of Swords. So funny. Yep. Artistic Doodle Tarot. Next deck, SIRENA Tarot. This is a mermaid base but also has nudity inside. So please move to the next deck if you don't like it. And it came also with this beautiful altar. It's so amazing. I'm in love with this one. Came with this beautiful bag. So this is the beautiful box inside. We have alternative cards for Emperor and Devil. And we have also a nice physical guidebook. Very well written, to the point. I think it's good enough for everybody to start with this deck. And yeah. And this is the beautiful bag. And this is the artwork. So as I said, it's mermaid base, which I love. Very well done. The artist did a great job. Very high quality, very nice. And I'm so happy to have it. I think it was a Kickstarter, but of course I didn't back it up. I purchased directly from the creator website, which I will add the link below. Beautiful. Yep, SIRENA Tarot. Another deck that I have purchased is the mini version of Sexual Magic Tarot, and this is just, I wanted to have a mini collection for self-love, sexual, erotic side of readings, so that's why I purchased this deck. Again, it has a kind of erotic nature. Please move to the next deck if you don't like it. And this is the cute bag, and this is the artwork. If the camera autofocus, yeah. It's a very well illustrated deck. I kind of like it, and full of emotions, and like how to say it, it's so easy to read with this deck actually. Like the interactions between couples and peoples in romantic and sexual ways is very well um, illustrated in this deck. It's a mass market deck, of course, and by Louis Scrabble. Yeah. Next, Herbal Astrology Oracle. This is the deck that I really wasn't sure to get it or not. And when I decided to get, I couldn't find it anywhere. In Amazon, it was just not available. But finally, I purchased it from a shop in Germany, online shop, of course, that I will add the link below. I think this is a quite well-known oracle deck and very nicely done guidebook. A lot of information around the plants or herbal things, and then also explanation of the cards. Very well done and written guidebook. This is the back. I aged it to this color to match the back. And this is how the artwork looks like. It's very beautiful. We have also astrological zodiac signs also on top of each card. The number, the name of the plant, and then the keyword. I really like this deck actually. I'm so happy to have it. I still didn't pair it with my tarot deck, so I have to find the right tarot for it. If you know already, please leave me a comment, so I would be very happy to know with which tarot deck you pair this. And next, I have a Lenormand deck, the white owl. Once in a while, I check also for Lenormand decks to see if there is something new that I can have. And this is the beautiful bag. And this is the artwork. I mean, it's beautiful, it's nice, very kind of traditional Lenormand. And I think I needed this because all my other Lenormand decks are non-traditional, so either are modern or have a different artworks, but this one is very close to traditional deck. And lastly, I came across to this deck in Etsy and I just decided to purchase Enchanted Past Oracle cards because I kind of like the artwork. This is the beautiful bag. It's kind of, I have to say, I really love the artwork. So we have one keyword and affirmation, advice, and guidance below it. It's really nice to draw a card at the end of the readings. The artwork is amazing. Very beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm happy that I have it now. Very beautiful. We made it to the end. Thank you so much for staying until now with me. Let me know in the comments if you have any of these decks or you would love to purchase them. As always, I'm just so curious to know. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, always happy. Bye bye.